Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, in contrast, is tipped to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all markets. The leaked of the full specifications of the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will run on an Exynos 2400 chipset in European regions and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC in other markets. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC will power the Galaxy S24 Ultra in all regions. The regular Galaxy S24 will stick with 8GB of RAM, while the top-end models will offer up to 12GB of RAM. The Galaxy S24 is tipped to come with a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED screen with up to 120Hz refresh rate. It is said to offer 128GB and 256GB storage options. For optics, it is expected to have a triple rear camera unit, comprising a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom with 30x space zoom. It is said to carry a 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S24 Plus is said to carry a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with refresh rate ranging from 1Hz to 120Hz. It could come in 256GB and 512GB of storage options. The handset is said to get the same triple rear camera setup as the Galaxy S24. It could be backed by a 4900 mAh battery. Finally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will be the top smartphone in the lineup, is tipped to feature a 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display. It could be offered in 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage options with 12GB RAM as standard. The phone is expected to have a quad rear camera setup, led by a 200-megapixel primary camera. The rear camera unit is also said to include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 50-megapixel telephoto shooter with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto shooter with 3x optical zoom support. The handset might offer 100x space zoom support. It is likely to have a titanium frame and pack a 5000 mAh battery. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.